Yeah, grab him like a chicken.
Grab him.
Yeah, but it's it. Look at it. Someone's got to distract him. Someone distract him. Distract him.
Just yank it.
Wow, it's in his wing.
Grab him by the neck.
Put him out, dude.
No. Fuck that, man.
He's gonna take your rod.
Hold him. Hold him. Hold him.
Sam speaking. Yeah, hey Dad, let me call you back, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna call this number back. Okay, bye.
You need pliers, Jared?
Listen to all the birds going crazy.
Dude, this thing is not his wing, just in his feathers.
Oh, sick. Oh! Oh!
Let it go. No, don't.
Let the stick go, dude.
Hey, come here, Sam.
Nuh-uh. Leave him on there, see if a big old bass goes for him.